This video is for changing Vauxhall insignia front brake discs. So I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step procedure of doing it. So after you manage to take your tires off, the first thing you need to do is to take the brake drum off. In that case, you need a 14 socket to take this one and this one off. So we're going to do that now, taking this off. So when you're turning it, sometimes this nut can be turning around. You need something like a flat screwdriver, or if you got a spanner, you can hold it up. But this is too small, so I'm going to use a flat screwdriver, hold it up and turn. Now, taking the second one off. Yeah. So now we need to take the brake drum off. Sometimes it can be easy to just shake it off and come off. That's it. Hang it there. There we go. So the next thing, you need a 21 socket to remove this one, and this one down here. This two. You need a 21 socket to remove it. So what we're trying to do is to take off this so we can take the brake disc off. So you lose this. Okay, so you take this off, then we need to take this other one off as well. You can feel it start shaking. So the point is to take this off so you can get your brake disc out. That's it, that one out. And this one out. So now, we're going to take this off. So we need to take this one off. What we need, let's see what we need. There's a Torx. You know. Yeah, you need a T30 for the Torx. You get that one in. And just loose. It's very easy, it doesn't need so much power to do that. That's it. You keep that aside. Then your brake disc is ready to come out. That's it. So you got your brake disc out. You need to put, this is the new one, get it in, make sure this is connected to that. So we go in, and that's it. Fit in. Get this back in. Make sure this is sitting properly to the end. Yeah. Then you put this back in. You just need to tie it a little bit, not so hard, just a little. That's it. So that's fitting. So you need to put this back in. Remember, this is how you got it out. So you need to put it exactly the same way. There we go. Get it both back in. And the bottom one. Okay. Do both sides to make sure they are both in. At this point, I'll need the half-inch bar to make sure you get a really good grip of it. Need to tie this really good. Like I said, make sure it's really tight. That's good enough. So now, got it fixed. Your brake disc is in. So we need to get the brake pad back in. Like this. That's it. That's in. And the back one, the same procedure. So you get your back one in. That's it. You've got your two brake pads in. This is a problem you might have because you've changed the old brake disc. This will not fit in. So you need to return this back inside. I'll show you how to do that. is your brake disc caliper rewind kit.
Dad, what are you doing?
Use your left side. Get this out. That one, we need something like this.
Daddy, I see you. Daddy, I see you. Daddy, what are you doing? Daddy, tell me.
So this is how to get your rewind kit in to return the brake drum. So at this point, it's gone in enough. Then you see, easy. It's just sit in. Then you get your brake clip back on. And the other one. Remember your 14th socket has to tighten it back up. And when this turns, get something like this, hold it up. Same with the bottom one. Yeah. Same thing here, make sure it's tight. Or you could get the right spanner. What number is this? 17. No, you need a if you have an adjustable spanner, you just get it in. You've changed your brake discs. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like it, and please give us a like, comment. Thank you.